Oh,
yeah,
there. Ah, you stuck to me. Okay, let me put my shoes.
Oh, God. I don't know. I have to run it.
My bag is gonna be
Oh, it's just itchy.
Okay.
Wait, my hand's in the wrong hole.
Wait, it's in the wrong hole. It's just like, I don't know. I can't put it on. Alright, hold it. What the hell? Oh wait, it's backwards. This is hard. It's not cool.
Sit down, put it on my pants.
Don't sit down, she said.
How do you sit down?
Oh my God, just put it on. Monguita.
Why does it have different holes?
Hey, it's easier to sit down, Joe.
Look, just sit down, Bianca.
It's okay, I got it.
She's hard-headed. It's gonna get stuck to you.